This thing has so many uses, but tonight I'm gonna be making some dumplings. Is an air fryer feature. Comes with all these trays, so I actually gotta take some out. So took out this guy. And I'm just gonna leave in this little basket one. It also comes with a pizza pan. Like, are you kidding me? Comes with this one too, but it's dirty, don't look at it. Okay, so for these dumplings, they need to be at 390. So I just selected air fryer, this button, and then I'm gonna change the temp to 390. My little dumplings are in. And here we go. No preheating. I mean, it's doing it right now, but I went ahead and put them in there because if I don't, I'll totally forget. So in 6 minutes, we're about to have some magic happen. This thing does so many things. I don't think you can bake a cake in here. Probably cupcakes, you could try, I don't know. But just the fact that you can put a pizza in here, dumplings. This morning I made frozen waffles, like a toast function. Just too easy, so nice. And it's just like that in between where you don't need a microwave, you don't really want to turn on the oven and heat up the whole house. Here we go. Perfect.